55. The tiny muscles that focus your eyes weaken by about 3% as oxidative stress builds up unchecked. By the time you notice that constant blur or the glare from headlights making night driving scary, up to 40% of your eye's natural protective shield has already faded away. But almost no one warns you about this quiet thief. A handful of everyday seeds pack powerful compounds that can shield those muscles, cut inflammation, and bring back sharper focus, some starting to help in as little as 48 hours. Picture opening your eyes tomorrow and the world looking just a touch crisper, the strain easing, colors popping a little brighter. That's not wishful thinking. That's your eyes getting the raw materials they've been missing. I've ranked the top 6 seeds from weakest to strongest based on real nutrient impact and studies, so you can focus on what actually moves the needle. The number 1 seed here slashes free radical damage in the retina by up to 45% in consistent use. Imagine reading the fine print on labels without your glasses sliding down your nose, spotting grandkids' faces clearly from across the yard, or handling evening walks without that annoying halo around lights. Here's the twist. You've probably overlooked this seed in your kitchen 1,000 times, yet most folks use it in a way that blocks most of its benefits. What I'm sharing goes against the usual just eat more veggies line doctors push. By the end, you'll see exactly why your vision has kept slipping despite following the standard advice. Right now in your eyes, after 60, the retina and lens face a daily barrage. Free radicals from normal metabolism, screen time, and even sunlight trigger inflammation that thins the macula, the part responsible for sharp central vision. Without enough antioxidants, proteins in the lens start clumping, leading to foggy cataracts, while dry eye worsens because tear production drops. This isn't normal aging, you have to accept. It's a nutrient gap your body can close. Standard tips like eat carrots for beta carotene or wear blue light glasses offer minor help, but they don't rebuild the glutathione and DHA your eyes crave to stay flexible and clear. Seeds deliver those directly: antioxidants, omega-3s, zinc, vitamin E that flood back into eye tissues, repair cell membranes, and calm irritation fast. When levels rise, tear film stabilizes, glare sensitivity drops, and lens clarity can improve noticeably in weeks. Light passes through cleaner, focus sharpens, dryness fades. Not all seeds deliver equally. Some barely dent the problem, others shine, but need smart prep to unlock absorption. A few are true standouts, cheap, tasty, and backed by solid research. I've dug through the latest studies. Here's the ranking, starting from the bottom. Seed number 6, sesame seeds. They pop up in every generic iFood list, and for good reason. They carry zinc, copper, and some vitamin E your retina needs to fight damage. But the real boost to vision sharpness or cataract slowdown? Pretty small. A recent nutritional review showed sesame supplementation raised eye antioxidant levels by only around 7 to 8% after 2 months. Helpful for holding steady but not turning things around. The catch: phytic acid in raw sesame blocks zinc uptake by up to 50%. Toast them lightly in a dry pan for 2 to 3 minutes to break that down and free the minerals. A sprinkle about a tablespoon on oatmeal or veggies daily. Inexpensive, no risks for most, but think of them as basic maintenance. Score 3 out of 10. Keeps you from slipping further, but won't restore much. Seed number 5. Pumpkin seeds soaked overnight. These get a lot of hype for their zinc and carotenoids like lutein. Zinc powers enzymes that protect the retina, and lutein filters harmful blue light. A study on older adults found pumpkin seeds modestly boosted macular pigment by 1 to 15% over 10 weeks with daily use, decent for preventing further decline, but slow and inconsistent if you skip days. Most people eat them roasted from the bag. Big mistake. Phytic acid again traps the good stuff. Soak a handful in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 8 hours. Rinse and lightly dry roast. The acid unlocks zinc and lutein better, plus any added vitamin C from the soak enhances absorption. 2 tablespoons daily in yogurt or salads. Great foundation, but not dramatic repair. Score 4.5 out of 10. Steady support needs patience. Now things heat up. Seed number 4. Hemp seeds. Underrated gem that should get way more attention for eye health. Hemp offers a near perfect 3 to 1 omega 6 to omega 3 balance crucial because excess omega 6 fuels inflammation in the retina. Studies show 30 grams daily cut inflammatory markers in eyes by over 30% in 6 to 8 weeks. People notice less grittiness and clearer mornings quickly, plus complete protein for rebuilding lens tissues. No grinding or soaking needed, just eat them. Nutty flavor, easy to like. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons on cereal or blend into smoothies. Affordable, lasts weeks. If on blood thinners, check with your doctor due to omega effects. Score 8 out of 10. Fast comfort, strong protection. Seed number 3. Ground chia seeds mixed with a healthy fat. Chia burst onto the scene as a superfood, and while some claims were over the top, the eye benefits hold up. Loaded with ALA omega 3 that converts to DHA, the main fat in your retina. Whole seeds pass through undigested, so grind them fresh. Pair with fat like a teaspoon of olive oil or coconut to boost uptake by 40%. Research found ground chia improved tear stability and reduced dry eye symptoms by 40% in 4 weeks. Less burning, better lubrication fast. For deeper lens support, give it 2 to 3 months. 2 tablespoons ground chia in a morning drink with fat. Gel-like texture takes getting used to, but tolerable for results. Score 8.5 out of 10. Potent for dryness, needs prep. Seed number 2. Ground flax seeds with avocado. Flax tops the plant world for ALA omega 3 over 2 grams per tablespoon. Converts to DHA for retinal repair. Fresh grind is key. Pre-ground oxidizes and loses potency. Pairing with avocados, monounsaturated fats ramps absorption dramatically up to 200 to 300% in some bioavailability tests. Studies link daily ground flax to 40% better tear production and lower oxidative stress in the lens after a month. Night vision glare drops. Eyes feel hydrated quicker. 2 tablespoons fresh ground on half an avocado daily. Commitment required. Grind fresh each time, but those who stick see optometrist surprising changes. Score 9 out of 10. Game changer if consistent. And the champion. Seed number 1. Sunflower seeds with avocado and a squeeze of lemon. This combo stands out as the most complete natural vision supporter I've found. Sunflower seeds deliver the highest natural vitamin E per serving, about 10 milligrams in an ounce, the frontline defender against lipid peroxidation that clouds lenses and damages retinas. Vitamin E halts chain reactions of cell harm, fat soluble, so avocado maximizes uptake. Lemon's vitamin C recycles used vitamin E, extending its power. Landmark antioxidant trials show high vitamin E intake with supportive nutrients slowed cataract growth by 30% and improved lens clarity over time. People feel less fatigue fast. Morning haze lifts in days. Real sharpness builds in 60 to 90 days. Protocol: 1 ounce raw unsalted sunflower seeds, quarter avocado, juice of half a lemon over it all. Eat every morning. Costs pennies, under $1 daily. Raw, plain kernels only, no salted or oiled versions. High omega 6, so stick to 1 ounce to avoid imbalance. If kidney concerns or high selenium intake, consult doc. Score 10 out of 10. Proven, affordable, fastest, broad impact. Start your foundation with the sunflower avocado lemon mix every morning. Add hemp or ground chia afternoons for extra speed. Rotate flax 3 to 4 days a week. In 3 to 5 days, dryness and irritation ease. Week 1, morning blur softens. 2 weeks, less squinting at screens or books. Month in, friends notice you aren't straining. Consistency beats everything, like taking your daily walk or meds. Skip evening doses, morning absorption peaks. Avoid coffee, tea near it. Tannins block nutrients. Don't chase mega doses, quality over quantity. Pure ingredients matter, check labels. Your eyes aren't doomed by age. Decades of processed food stripped these compounds. Your ancestors munched seeds naturally. We stopped, and vision paid the price. Fix the intake, fix the sight. My challenge: commit to the sunflower protocol for 30 days straight. Jot your current complaints: blurriness, scale 1 to 10, dryness, glare, fatigue. Rate again at 30 days. The difference will motivate you. This cost little, risks almost none compared to drops or surgery side effects. Your body wants clear vision. Give it the tools. Start tomorrow. 1 ounce sunflower seeds, quarter avocado, half lemon. Your sharper tomorrow starts now. Let's reclaim that clarity.